It did not take a year, a month, or two. It took us as long as 8 years to get to where we are today. This vision has been an intangible one for a long time, but now it has become tangible. Led by the CEO, the co-founder of Corporate Health Ghana Limited, an organization dedicated to improving healthcare through digital innovation. We have the person I'm about to introduce have been awarded the Presidential Business Pitch Award in 2018. He is the Principal Nursing Officer with a background in nursing, informatics, leadership and business management consultant. He is also the Administrative Secretary and also the Nursing Audit Unit at the Kolebu Unit. The Nursing Audit Unit at the Kolebu Teaching Hospital. He is no other person of Abdulsalam Mohammed. He is the Principal Nursing Officer. He is the leader of the Oxygen team. We also have Michael Asante. We have Anita Fixin, who is the Customer Care Service Provider. Then we have Isaac Guachimelu, who is also one of the technical or software developer. It has been a long journey. Oxygen Health Connect, Oxygen Marketplace, and then the USSD has been developed by these great men to solve the problems of the healthcare system, bringing innovation through digital means to help answer questions of our day. Healthcare will never be the same as the great minds have put together a great solution to answer questions pertaining to healthcare services. Now, healthcare is more easier and more amazing to use as we have a product to announce to you. Thank you so much. I will invite our CEO, co-founder, Abdulsalam, Principal Nursing Officer at the Kolebu Teaching Hospital, to give us a small keynote address, and then we proceed. Thank you. CEO, welcome.
Apostle Tegu, the board chairman and moderator of Oxygen Africa Health Forum. Dr. Balfour Ibia, the acting director of Technical Coordination Directory, representing the Minister of Health, Honorable Kweku Ajiman. Dr. Francis Chisaka Solo, the World Health Organization country representative, who is currently joining us virtually. Madame Bonnie Barnes, the co-founder of Daisy Foundation International, she's also joining us virtually. Sheikh Khalifa Abdurrahman Shaban, esteemed guests, experienced panelists who have just shared with us very insightful information, captains and managers of health, distinguished colleagues in the healthcare profession, stakeholders, members of the media, and all those who have joined us today. Today is truly a remarkable day for me and for my team. As we launch and introduce Oxygen Digital Health Marketplace. Ladies and gentlemen, this day is not just about the launch. It is about the story behind our success. From a spark of inspiration 14 years ago, at a similar event like this, the idea was incubated. Our idea has undergone several iterations, and we have overcome countless hurdles to arrive at this stage. It is not just a platform. But it actually represents a testament of the power of perseverance and passion. Ladies and gentlemen, about 14 years ago, I heard an incredible story about the black community in Israel called Dimona, and how that community has succeeded in eradicating diseases and improving health outcomes. That story was told by our late Minister of Health, Honorable Major Courage Kwashiga. The passion with which he spoke about Dimona and the regenerative health policy left an impact on me. In fact, a very lasting one. I kept asking myself, if a black community in Israel could do it, what about black African population in Ghana and other African countries? So with this inspiration and passion, as a nurse working in the health sector, seeing all the challenges, I founded Corporate Health Ghana, focusing on home care and medical screening. Unfortunately, or fortunately, when COVID came, the business went down. I wanted to leverage technology. Then I decided to approach this wonderful, young, hardworking technology team. I spoke to them, I said, COVID is destroying my business, but I want to use the same COVID to leverage around technology. So we experimented during COVID. The experiment was fantastic. And post-COVID, we have forged ahead and partnered to co-found Oxygen Health Technologies. Ladies and gentlemen, today we have built a robust oxygen digital health marketplace, connecting patients to health professionals, service providers, and resources closest to them, and more importantly, automating health education in local language for rural folks by just dialing a short code without the need for internet or smartphone. What we have done is to simplify the cumbersome process of seeking healthcare. Ladies and gentlemen, the problem of healthcare in Africa is complex and multifaceted. However, an interesting story again, when we finished developing the marketplace, we realized that if we do not invest in building or in contributing to building an ecosystem of healthcare, our marketplace will be meaningless. And that is why today we have Oxygen Africa Health Forum. Because COVID taught us that without a proper integrated health system, Africa and the world will be unable to survive the next pandemic. So, the Oxygen Africa Health Forum was born out of this realization and the need for us as business to contribute to us building a strong ecosystem across Africa. At the core of building integration in healthcare is the workforce, which is why we have partnered with Daisy Awards International to award 10 nurses for their outstanding contribution. Ladies and gentlemen, we have made history today. For the first time ever, nurses in Ghana and Africa are receiving the Daisy prestigious international award. We are very possible today. Apart from the Daisy Award, they will also receive the Health Heroes Awards and be inducted into the Oxygen Hall of Fame. Ladies and gentlemen, we would not have achieved all of this without the invaluable guidance and support of our board, particularly our moderator and board chairman, Apostle Utegu, and Madame Alberta Roxy. We are forever grateful for your support, and history will remember your unflinching contribution. On behalf of the Oxygen Health Technologies and Corporate Health Ghana, we express our deep appreciation to Vilgo Africa, Ghana Tech Lab, the Zogo Business Incubator, the Lafia Innovation Program, Impact Hub, and the National Entrepreneurship and Innovation Program for their unwavering support in incubating our ideas, providing us business support, and funding towards the development of this marketplace. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, the future of healthcare is digital. The future of healthcare is digital. it is digital. About 50% of African population don't have access to healthcare. And the digital healthcare market size is projected to reach $11.5 billion by 2025. Just 2 years from now, the market is going to grow to $11.5 billion. So there is space for all of us here to tap into it. This presents a vast opportunity for investors, professionals, stakeholders to get involved for mutual benefits, whilst at the same time we improve health outcomes. We at Oxygen Health have invested in building Oxygen Digital Health Marketplace, a very cutting-edge technology that will enable everyone seated here to have a role to play actively in the digital health transformation and marketplace. In conclusion, I'd like to invite our team. Personally, I feel today is not for me, it's for the technology team. I'd like to invite our team to introduce our various technology products for you to see. And I'd like to urge each and everyone seated here to watch the videos attentively. I'm very confident that Oxygen Health will be a game changer, a catalyst for change, and a platform that will drive sustainable health outcomes, not only in Ghana, but across Africa. Thank you very much, Mr. Moderator, Board Chairman, distinguished guests, captains and managers of the health industry, stakeholders and the media for gracing this occasion. Let us join hands and work together to make healthcare accessible, affordable, and available for everyone. Thank you very much.